folks, today on West Chicago Railroad, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Lionel Legacy AA set I've been looking forward to. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's start the unboxing. Go ahead and okay. This way to do this that I found. Just to gently put it down, pick it up. All right. All right, put them both out of here. They are both powered. They are a pair, obviously, so they go together, but they are different colors. And I'll explain that in a second here. So let's see which one is which. Doesn't really matter, does it? All right, so let's start with this one. That. Okay, well, looks like we picked the blue one first, right? Okay, let's take that out of there. What we have is first one, Great Northern, number 644. Oops, looks like I found something in there. Guess we'll have to figure out where that goes. That looks like a step from the other side. So hopefully that just clips right in. I'm sure it does. Yeah, it goes into a little slot. All right. And this one should be our Cascade Green friend. And it is. So again, slowly lift that out of there. Usually like to let gravity help a little bit, because that helps with, I don't really care to pull on these blue ribbons all that much. And now we have the lead unit, number 676. Burlington Northern F7. All right, so I'm gonna get these lubed up, smoked, and we'll put them on the track, and we'll just give a listen to the sounds and stuff. All right, so see you in a minute. Okay, folks, I went ahead and oiled the rollers, lubed the gears a little bit. I went ahead and added smoke, programmed them into my remote. So let's go ahead and start it up, see how she sounds. Now, just so you know, I will be doing a full review on this. I am waiting for the Super Bass B unit to come, which I'll have in a few weeks, and then I'll do a full review on all three pieces. Okay, so let's start her up.
This is the dispatcher. Do you copy? I read you. Over. Please start up and stand by. Over. Yes, sir. Start up and stand by. Out.
And yes, just so you know, the Great Northern is the lead A unit in this pair. Listen to the bell. Okay, let's listen to the horn, which is actually pretty awesome. It's very loud too.
Dispatcher, ready to roll. Can I pull? Over.
and reverse, the beacon on the Great Northern obviously goes out, and the beacon on the Burlington Northern turns on. So. All right, folks. Thanks for watching, and again, full review coming soon.